What's up, guys? Today I have a very awesome announcement for you. Finally, ADV Indian Coder official website has launched, and in this time, we are not only launching a website, at this time, we are launching a complete ecosystem. What exactly you will get in our platform? Let me just quickly tell you each and everything. First of all, if you are a college student, what are the benefits you will get? And if you are not a college student, you want to achieve something in tech field, then this platform definitely will help you. And also, if you are not interested in tech field and you are preparing for government exam, in that situation also this complete ADV Indian Coder ecosystem is going to help you. First, let me talk about, if you are a college student, what are the things you will get. See, first thing, being a college student, the college syllabus and the IT industry syllabus, if I will talk about technology, it's totally different. Okay, so if you want one-to-one session, you can connect with different peers, right? You can connect with different mentors and you can ask your queries. Or else, if you don't want to connect with other person, you can directly reach out to Binay Kumar. Definitely I will help you. I will not charge any amount. Okay, so you can connect with one-to-one session without paying any amount, and I will guide you in your journey. The first thing is this, and second thing, if you want to master any domain, see, being an engineer, if I will talk about especially software engineer, we are having different domains like data analytics, data science, machine learning, generative AI engineer, agentic AI engineer, full stack developer. There are different domains are available. If you want to become a domain expert, in our platform you can come and you can join online session 30 days master class, and this master class will be cheapest priced in India. If you will compare with another platform, the master class price will be very cheapest. You will get certificate also, each and everything you will get. After that, if you are searching to learn any concept, any topics related to technology, you can just go to our website and you can search HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C language, C sharp. There are so many things. Whatever you want to learn, you can go to our website and you can learn each and everything is represented by diagrammatically, so that you will be able to understand any concept. Apart from that, if you are not able to understand the concept, you just study. After studying your concept, you can just click to get help, and within the days, in night, you can book one-to-one session for 10 minutes and you can ask your queries. Definitely this ecosystem is going to help you very much, and there are so much of the extra benefits included in our website. I will directly show you the demo. Okay, without wasting the time, let's see the demo, how exactly our website looks. This is the browser which I have opened now. Now you can open your favorite browser, whatever you want to open. Here you can search in your Google ADV Indian Coder. You just search this query. After that, you hit enter button. Now you will get the official website of ADV Indian Coder. See, top competitive exam, Binay Kumar Mahato. You can see my profile also. Notes, resources, full stack practice hub, courses, labs, each and everything you can find. Now you can see my social media accounts also here, LinkedIn, YouTube. So now we are in initial stage, right? So I will just open this website, and after that, see, the complete ecosystem. Already one profile has logged here. Let me log out this. I have just logged out. Okay, now see, this is the home section in which you can read the complete overview about our website. First thing, you can see master coding and crack interview, and then after you can see ADV lab, dedicated lab you can see here. If you don't want to run the code in your particular system, you don't want to install any ID, for that we have separate ADV lab. You can go there and you can practice, and this is the course section, especially video lecture you can get here, programming lectures, careers, interview preparation, mindset. There are so many courses are there. You can just explore the courses according to your interest. Apart from that, if you want to explore particular subject, particular topics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, C++, there are different so many languages you can see, technology you can see, you can just click on that and you can explore. If I will talk about cyber security, I will just click on cyber security and see here. You can see each and everything. Imagine you are studying this introduction core, okay, introduction to core cybersecurity. See here how this visually explained each and everything. If you will compare to other website, na, they are simply writing the text and explaining, but see here each and everything you will see visually, and the visual thing will help you to understand much better than other website. See here sample codes, you can see advantage, real world application, disadvantage, each and everything in each topics you will see. See here, the first thing is, now I have not uploaded in each and every subject, or you can say any courses, you will see one introduction video. In that the person will tell you, or else I can tell you in that particular video, how this course is going to help you. After completing this course you will get certificate also, so you can use that certificate in your resume, in your portfolio. Definitely that will help you, right? See here, beginner, intermediate, advanced, all the level of learning you can explore on our ecosystem, on our website, right? See here, now I'm coming this ADV lab. Once you will click on lab section, here you can explore Python, Java, C, C++, and JavaScript. These 5 programming language, if you want to practice online, you can just use our ID. For example, I will click on Java, right? And after that you will see the ecosystem, complete ecosystem here, complete user friendly. You can see each and everything very great way. You can see, you just need to write your code and you will be able to run. You will see your output here. Let me run this code. This is simple program. See, it's loading. After that you can see the output. See, hello from ADV Indian Coder. Now if you want to delete this file, you can delete also. You, if you want to create any other file, you can just create. See, simply I will just type randomly, I will hit enter button, and after that automatically .java extension will be included, right? So this is the benefits. You no need to do extra effort. If you want to create folder, means you can create folder also. It's just like a VS Code. You can see, if you want to download your current file which you have written, you just select that file, and after that you just click on save current file. Once you will click there, see, downloaded awesome. Okay, now see, there is a option to start live collab. You can collab with your friends also with this ecosystem. If they are logged in another account and they want to code with you, so each and everything reflect on real time. Okay, this feature also included here. And after that, very important, if you are learning any concept and practicing on our ecosystem, you just after writing your code, click on GitHub. After clicking on GitHub, you just paste your repo link. For example, let me go to my GitHub repo. So this is my GitHub account. I will just go to repository section. Now let me just take any repository. See, I am taking this repository. I will just copy this repo and I will paste here, and after that I will keep copy open GitHub. Okay, once I will click there, now directly it will open the environment. Code has written here, whatever I was written in this ID, each and everything has written here. Only you need to click on commit and changes, and your code will be pushed in your GitHub account. So in this way you can use our environment. After that, if you have pushed your code in your GitHub, you want to publish this news on LinkedIn, you just click on LinkedIn button, and after that you have to wait for just a few minutes and you will see one pop-ups. See, this is the pop-ups. You no need to write any types of your post, already it will be written. You just need to click on post button, or else you can click on add photo and you can take a screenshot whatever you have written in this ID, and after that you can upload that photo also, and you can simply click on post. In this way you can utilize this ecosystem according to your interest. See here, this is the exam hub. So I also talked about if you are preparing for government exam, right? So in government exam there are different types of exam. If you want to explore that exam, you just go to exam hub and you will explore each and every exam. Past 5-year question you will be able to see that. So I will just say you just to explore this website and click on exam hub. It's loading at this time. Now let me go to the practice hub and you will see something. See, I clicked on practice hub. It is completely just like lead code, just like hacker rank, just like GFG. It's completely same to same like that, but there are some different features you can see here. See here, coding based on buzzes, swags, you can see swags also. And if you want to prepare any problems, see here, it's loading coding challenges from database. We need to wait for sometimes, and after that you can explore some extra thing also, swag store, masterclass. If you want to join notes, you can find. I will click on notes, and after that you can buy the notes, handwritten notes, digital notes, whatever notes you want to buy, you can just go to the notes section. And these are all the different features you can see in our website. Job ecosystem, where you can apply for different job. Basically we upload the different job in our ecosystem. You just come here and you can view details and you can apply directly. See here, this is the complete detail. Only you need to click on apply button and it will be redirected to the career website. Okay, in this way you can utilize this complete. And after that, this is a signing button. So how it will works, if you want to submit your code, then for submitting, for tracking your data, the signing is required. Okay, so simply you can click on signing button, or else you can register also if you are first time using. And you can continue with mobile OTP, or else email OTP you can use, or else you can continue with Google, right? Continue with Google, and I will just select one account. Now we have successfully logged. I will go to view profile, and after that you will be able to see your profile. It will be looks like Facebook, Instagram. It will looks like your GitHub account, your lead code account. You can share your profile, you can edit your profile, you can also update your profile photo. You just need to click on edit, and after that you can change each and everything. You can add your social accounts, you can add your education background, and after that you can click on save button. In this way all your data will be saved here, and the buzzes which you will win, you will see in this dashboard itself. And when you will share this, the people will be able to see your this profile. Okay, just like lead code, when you share na, the people can able to see your profile. You can add in your resume also, you can share to the recruiter also, so that they will be able to see your each and everything, what are you doing in your life, in terms of coding, how much you are exploring the concept. Each and everything will be shown here, so that they will be able to see your journey. See here, contribution graph is you can see here, and simply the budget you can share on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, wherever you want to share, you can share. Each and everything will be tracked on the dashboard, right? So in this way you can create your account and you can explore this complete ecosystem. Now let me do one thing. I will go to the profile, and after that I will click on this share button. See something great, I will just click on this copy. Okay, now you can share WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you can share anywhere. I will just close this tab, and after that I will go to another browser. Now I will just paste here this profile, because this profile is not logged here. How its profile is looking, let me show you. So see here, currently it is showing signing, because this is one another Google account in which I have pasted that profile. That profile is accessible. Now see how the other people will be seeing this account. See the buzzes, the contribution graph, and the recent activity, each and everything weekly, how you are active, all the things, your LinkedIn, LeetCode, Facebook, whatever the social account you will add here, all the things will be visible. And here heading also you can add, and the people will be able to see your profile, right? In this way you can utilize this complete ecosystem. Let me go to the practice hub. See here, no issue, sometimes it's take time, right? So you can see total 365 problems. I have not added the more problems, because I don't want to make you to be confused regarding the problems. If you will practice this all the problems, definitely this will be enough to crack any interview. So array, string, binary search, stack, queue, binary tree, bit manipulation, greedy, grabs, dynamic programming. These are all the topics I have added. In each particular topics, you will be able to see the problems. Now you can just select filter and you will be seeing here, right? Easy, medium, hard. You can filter based on your requirement and you can practice. If I will select on easy, you can see to some problem. You just need to click on solve now. Now see here, it's not able to show the problems because we need to log for that. So I just came to this account for showing you. Let me go to the practice to some problem. I will click on solve challenge, and after that, see the ecosystem you can see here for writing your code. You just need to write your code and you can submit. In this way you can use our platform to enhance your skill, to explore different kinds of technology in our website. If you want to book one to one session, you can just click on more button and you can go to live master class, and in live master class you can book any session. After that you can connect with me. This is the way of connecting with me and getting help from me. I will not charge you to help any amount. You just need to connect me on LinkedIn and you can text the message. Definitely, I will help from that social media account. So I hope you are able to understand how this complete ecosystem is going to change your life.